Today I will show you how you can use Kimi K2.6 inside your Visual Studio Code. Not only the Kimi K2.6, I will also show you how you can use MiniMax M2.7 as well. At the transition between Kimi K2.5 to Kimi K2.6, it will be far better. You can see the index. Currently it will rank at the 4th position at the intelligence index. Then in today's video, I will show you how you can use it inside the Visual Studio Code for free. In Visual Studio Code, go to the extension section and search for blackbox. Then you can get this extension blackbox AI #1 AI coding agent and coding copilot. Install it. When you have installed, then this extension will be automatically installed. After you have installed, it will be reflected as the black box where I have already used it. That's why in the recent tasks it will be reflected here. Before you start to use, I will make you clear some component of it. You can use it as a pro version or you can use it as a free version as well. Some model will be available in free and remaining are available as the paid. Here in tool configuration, most of them are free and some are paid. If you want to upgrade it, otherwise you can easily use it. At the same time, if you need some tasks repeatedly, then you can mark it or you can create it as a skill and you can easily use it anytime. Here in the agentic mode, here will be the auto and manual. In manual, it will ask before confirming, modifying or creating anything. If you can set it auto, then it will automatically do most of the tasks. Then most important things will be here. Model. You can see Kimi K2.6 and MiniMax M2.7 will be currently available as a free model. Remaining model are paid. Let's start. Does it work or not? Hi. It will respond means it will work. Let's ask which model is it. This model is unique than other that I feel because before it start for the development, first it will prepare the plan, it will create the to-do, it will check for the environment if any package or any environment need to set up before completing this task. Then after that it will start to work. It will show that which model is it, then I am blackbox AI, the assistance behind this chat. It will show that, but we are currently using Kimi K2.6. If you clear this and you can see the history, then it will be reflected. Kimi K2.6 will be there. At the same time, MiniMax M2.7 is also working. Let's check. Are you available to help? Yes, I am available to help. That means both the model are working perfectly. MiniMax M2.7 is also working and Kimi K2.6 is also working if you want to easily use it. As compared to the paid model, the free model are slow. This is the truth. I don't want to hide these things, but as compared to other, this is not that much slow. Okay, I'll ask one question here using Kimi K2.6. Can you create the one landing page? I have give this front. Can you create a one landing page for my channel? My channel name is AI for you. It will ask some question. Which platform do you want to use? Which tech stack do you want to use? First it will confirm from us, then only it will start to work. That I have already mentioned to you. First it will create the to-do, then it will check if any package or environment need to set up. If everything is perfect, then only it will start. It will ask me in your index.html, there will be already the code. Do you want to replace it as? Now it will completed the one simple landing page according to my prompt, where my prompt is not good. That's why I didn't expect any awesome output. It will ask no testing has been done yet and ask some question, but I didn't want to respond it. Let's see how is it look. It will create simple landing page. Yeah, I know it will very bad. I just want to check is it is working or not. That's why I'll demonstrate it. This is the free model. Sometimes it may not work, then and clear it and ask same question again. Okay, that's it for today's video.